Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to import chats on Qwenlm AI. It's a very simple and easy process, and I'm going to guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone or your computer, head over to your preferred web browser. On your browser, search for Qwenlm AI. In the search results, find the link with chat.qwenlm.ai and navigate to this website. Once you're in the website, make sure that you are logged in with your account. After you are logged in, you will see this kind of interface. Now, in order to import chats to your Qwenlm AI account, you must have a chat file in your device. And after that, in this home interface, you can see this profile icon at the top right corner. Click on it. Select Settings. The Settings menu will appear. In the left hand side, you can see different tab sections. Head over to this Chats tab. And here you'll find the option to import chats. Click on it. Now you need to select the file from your device. You need to make sure that the file is in JSON format. As you can see over here, it only accepts the JSON file. You can select the file and the chats will be imported to your account. So that's it. That's an easy process to import chats to your Qwenlm AI account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.